Gwadar Port is one of the best places to visit in Balochistan. The port is located on the Arabian Sea and is a hub for maritime trade in the region. The port is also home to a number of businesses and industries, making it a great place to explore. Gwadar Port is also a beautiful place to visit. The port area is surrounded by stunning scenery, including mountains, beaches, and forest. There are also a number of historical sites in the area. The port area has a number of beaches where visitors can relax and soak up the sun. The port is situated on a rocky outcropping in the Arabian Sea that forms part of a natural hammerhead shaped peninsula protruding out from the Pakistani coastline. Gwadar Port has significant advantages compared to other ports in the region due to its depth, natural breakwater, and desert climate with little seasonal variation.